Hello everyone, my name is Sad Nazif, and today we will be learning about recursion. The parts I will be covering are: what is recursion, where can recursion be applied, and an example to go along with it. Now, let's get started. So, to start off, recursion is a method where the solution to a problem depends on smaller instances of the same problem, as opposed to iteration. The approach can be applied to many types of problems, and recursion is one of the central ideas of computer science. Simply put, the program will repeat until it reaches an instance where it would stop. Now on to the next part. Where can recursion be applied? In the realm of programming, there are some problems that can be solved efficiently using a recursive method. For example, finding the factorial of a number, as well as the Fibonacci sequence. Now to expand on it, here is an example of how to make a program which finds the factorial of a number. First, you have to import java.util.scanner in order to be able to input a number. Then, create your class and your main method. Next, create your scanner object. And then initialize a variable that will store the input. Now create your second method that will receive the integer. Then create an if-else statement. If a is equal to 1, the method will return 1. Otherwise, the method will return a times factorial a minus 1. This is where the method calls itself. This will continue until a is equal to 1. And lastly, make the program output the answer. Now the output after inputting 4 will be 24. The first method, on the left, requires an input to determine which number we are finding the factorial of, and then runs the second method, which finds the factorial of the inputted number. Let's take an in-depth and more visual look into how the program actually works. To start off, we will make this easier by giving a an actual value. So for this instance, let's assume that a is equal to 4. Now, we begin with factorial 4, which then breaks down into return 4 times factorial 4 minus 1. This is where the method calls on itself. The program will continue this way until a is equal to 1, which completes the condition for the recursion to stop. After this, the fourth instance will return 2 times 1, which is 2. This will make the third instance 3 times 2, which is 6. And finally, this will make the second instance here 4 times 6, which is equal to 24, giving us the answer for 4 factorial. Thank you for watching my tutorial on recursion. I hope this helped, and I'll see you all next time.